In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel tank support straps on this Nissan Frontier. Located on the driver's side underneath the truck, on your fuel tank of course. Let's get started. Bring in adequate fuel tank support. Whatever you have, that'll support it if you're working on the floor. I have a fuel tank attachment for a transmission jack because I'm on a lift. Put a little bit of pressure on it. And now we can remove the bolts for our straps. Our front strap will have 2 bolts, one near the drive shaft and one near the frame. These are 17 millimeter in size. Remove them both. And with that, the strap comes off. Install the front strap. Have the bolts ready to line up and start into position. We'll torque these to 32 foot-pounds. For the rear strap, there is only one 17 millimeter bolt near the drive shaft or towards the middle of the vehicle, right here on the frame. The other side is hinged, so this will just drop down. Now here in the back, what you want to do to remove this strap is turn it at an angle, 45 degrees, and then unwedge it out of place, just like that. Take the strap and line it up with the frame, put it back in. Let's bolt on this rear strap, pull it tight up against the fuel tank right here, and start that bolt in. Hopefully you can do this by hand. I'm using a pry bar to help me push the strap into position. Once that bolt is started, tighten it up. "32 foot-pounds on this. Now slowly remove your support. And with that, job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.